Hello, I'm teacher Eric. Welcome to today's video lesson. Today we will learn how to make predictions in English. Here we have two examples of predictions. The first one says it will rain later and it is going to rain later. What is the difference between these two predictions? So the first one is usually what we think. Okay, then we don't have evidence that it will rain, so that's what I think or I believe, so it will rain later. The second one, it is going to rain. So if I say my prediction this way is because I have any evidence. So for example, maybe I see some gray clouds in the sky, or I saw the forecast previously. So if you notice, the first prediction, the one that is based on our thinking, based on what we think or believe, is usually stated with a subject, will, a verb, and a complement. And those predictions that are based on the evidence are stated with a subject, verb to be, going to, the verb, and a complement. Here we have two more predictions. The first one says Roman will not be a chef, and the second one says Thomas is not going to be a chef. So are they saying exactly the same? Well, remember that if we use will or will not, which is negative, it's based on what we think. So probably I think Roman will not be a chef. He will be a doctor. Okay, that's a prediction based on what I think or I believe. So the second one says Roman is not going to be a chef. That's a prediction that I am making because I have an evidence of that. Maybe I see that Roman is studying medicine or something like that, and my prediction is that he is not going to be a chef based on that evidence. That's it for today's video. I'm teacher Eric. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video.